June is the month that we all get ready for summer, and we're gonna be at the beach a lot, we're gonna be in bathing suits a lot. There's a lot of vulnerability that goes behind these summer months. Why don't we do something about getting ourselves into the best shape possible? Well, I've been coming to you pretty regularly over the last few months since I've been in LA, and we started with yoga, and then we started doing the Sit and Fit series. And now I'm concentrating mostly on doing weight training. You know, that program takes a little bit more caution. We're moving with weights, we're doing movement, and now you're loading your muscles. But if you've noticed, we started easy. We started with yoga and stretches. We've progressed to the point where we're using heavy duty equipment, heavier weights. And I'd like to work with you guys one-on-one on that one, because I do believe that you need a little bit more guidance. Everybody is different. It's not one size fits all. And that's why it's really important to have private coaching to help sculpt a program for you that you can take home and say, okay, well, I know how to do this properly now, and I will do it. You'll even have videos so that you can see proper form. We can have phone calls on a regular basis. I plan to do weekly phone calls with the group. In January of 2026, we're gonna have a retreat. Restore retreat in Costa Rica, in Flamingo Beach at the Tower. What we're trying to do is get you guys really prepared before you go. We want you to have a complete metabolic panel done, so we have an assessment of where you stand metabolically, what your glucose levels are, how your kidneys and liver are doing, just that kind of stuff. And then we're gonna go zip lining, we're gonna go into beautiful beaches and paddleboard, we're gonna do yoga and have women's circles and journal every day and have a takeaway. You know, by the time you go back home, you'll have a program that will set you for life. We'll give you a 12-month plan. We'll give you a way of following a program that will keep you on track. We're gonna have the continued follow-up calls and group sessions, and we'll reconnect throughout the year. But that's the goal. Oh, and one last thing, I don't want to forget. A portion of the monies that you all put into the investment of this retreat and any of the programs that we do bring water to Rio Seco. So imagine 10 women all having the same goal of wanting to balance their lives, not only mentally and hormonally, physically and spiritually, but also women who want to have an adventure of a lifetime.